So guys, quick update lang tayo. Visa Bulletin is already available for March 2025. So tingnan natin kung ano yung final action date. So ito na nga yung Visa Bulletin for 2025. So ito yung final action date for employment-based preference. Third category, AB3. So wala siyang nagbago guys, no? For rest of the world, Mexico and Philippines. So same cut-off lang siya since February 2025 at nitong March 2025. So wala siyang movement. So bali ito na yun, fiscal year 2025 for employment-based preference. So from October to March, ito pa lang yung movement niya. So nag-move lang siya noong January 2025. So ito na nga yung history niya. So from January, February, March, ito yung mga final action date niya, which is hindi na siya nag-move. So yun lang yung quick update natin ngayon guys. So wala tayong magagawa dito sa hinihintay natin, which is hintay na naman tayo for the month of April 2025 Visa Bulletin.